What do you do when the foundation beneath the milk and carousel begins to settle, but shutting the carousel down isn't an option? That's exactly the challenge this Wisconsin dairy farm was facing. The center pedestal base supporting the carousel had settled slightly to one side, only about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch, but it was enough to create minor misalignment in the overhead carousel mechanism. When your operation depends on the equipment every single day, downtime simply isn't an option. Before selecting a repair method, the site conditions were evaluated. The soil beneath the pedestal consisted of sandy, coarse-grained material, making it an excellent candidate for permeation grouting. Rather than excavating or disrupting operations, the goal was to strengthen the existing soil and help prevent future settlement. HMI's HS030 single-component grout was injected through 9 strategically placed injection points on the side of the pedestal experiencing settlement. Approximately 600 pounds of grout permeated the sandy, coarse-grained soil, binding the particles together and increasing stability beneath the affected side of the base. Because HS030 is designed to permeate coarse-grained soils, it was able to improve the existing ground without major disruption to the facility. The entire project was completed in less than 1 day, and the best part? The dairy farm was able to continue normal milking operations throughout the project. By stabilizing the soils beneath the pedestal base, the farm addressed the conditions contributing to settlement while avoiding costly downtime and helping maintain proper equipment alignment. Projects like this demonstrate how targeted permeation grouting can provide an effective solution for active agricultural facilities where production schedules, equipment performance, and herd health all need to be protected. To learn more about HMI's permeation grouting solutions, visit hmicompany.com or call 800-626-2464.